Then the hands float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy. Bring it into the heart. Send it down through the body towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Some nice gentle movement to start our flow. One more time, sink the chi. This time, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, letting go. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey, the commencement. One more time, breathing in, and then breathing out. This time the arms float all the way up overhead. And they just very gently begin to drift down to one side, and then down to the other, all the way down the mountain trail. And then when you get to the base of the mountain, we'll gather the energy from the earth, bring it right back up to the mountain peak, and then drifting down the other way, descending the mountain. It's floating all the way down. Beautiful. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, just to about shoulder height. The palms face away. Then they drift right across the horizon. And then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. Making nice gentle brush strokes. One more time, drift across. And then this time the arms float up and over like a big wave. And then down, just opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. The chin circles. All right, one more time. And then from here, reverse direction. The hands float up to shoulder height. The palms face away. They drift right across the horizon. And then down, floating up, drift across. Painting on the canvas. Once again, nice and easy, nice and slow. This time the arms float up and over, the chin circles. Just as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time. The chin circles, very nice. And then circle in front, hug the tree, and soften. And then step the foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up as we gather in the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds in the earth, coming right down the center, the hands brush out to the side. Coming back up the center, we'll gather some more seeds. And then coming down, planting seeds. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle the arms all the way around, hug the tree, step the foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This time the wrists cross right in front of the heart as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. Step out to the side, the hands brush out to the sides as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner or touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel to the corner or towards the earth or anywhere in between. Stepping down. And then finally the arms open as you kick the heel kick. Coming back in. And once again, you can kick down towards the earth or you can try to kick a little higher. It's okay to wobble. One more time, the heel kick on this side. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides and then step the other foot in, cross the wrists in front of the heart. Step out as the hands brush out to the sides. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner, touching down as needed. And then from here, you can kick your heel to the corner or towards the earth, anywhere in between. And then the arms open as you kick the heel kick. Once again, kicking down or towards the corner. One more time, step up and kick with heel. It's the long version. Beautiful. Circle around and hug the tree and soften. From here, the palms face towards each other, right in front of the heart. And as you breathe in, the hands open slightly. And as you breathe out, they come back towards each other. This time they open a little bit more. Coming back in. This time, big opening, big breath. Accordion breathing. We'll do another round. So starting off small, and then a little bit bigger, and then big opening, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing. Starting small, a little bit bigger, and then big open. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the palms face up. The hands come forward as the hips go back, softening the hips and knees. The palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up. Then scoop under, two hands offering presence, offering love, offering compassion, or anything else you'd like to see in the world. Go ahead and offer it there. Breathing. One more time, two hands offering. This time, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, right by the lower abdomen, and then this hand floats up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it right into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, make a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, opening the heart, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, like bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body, feeling the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for watching. This class is part of our free monthly calendar program. Please click the first link in the video description below to get the latest monthly calendar, and I'll see you over there.